We are back once again, guys, with another sneaker unboxing for you. This time we have 4 boxes, and it's gonna be a good one because I'm gonna flex the savings on you guys again. Not flexing how much I spent, flexing how much I saved on these shoes, because who doesn't want to save money on shoes, right? That's the whole point in trying to cop for retail, man, because you don't want to pay high resale prices. So if you guys are down to learn about how I cop sneakers and just, hang out while I'm doing sneaker unboxings, then you guys should stay tuned. That is all coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker unboxing for you guys, and all of these shoes will be going into my collection. It's kind of like, I guess, a collection upgrade video where I have a lot of shoes on my want list on the Goat app, which if you guys don't have Goat app, I highly recommend you guys check it out. This video is not sponsored by Goat app, but I did put it in the link in the description below if you guys want to follow along with me while I'm showing you guys how I cop on Goat app. So you guys can check that out if you want. It's up to you. So all of these shoes were on my want list, kind of like a wish list for sneakers. And then from there, basically what I do is I monitor it every day to see, is there a good price for these sneakers, because I don't want to pay whatever the competitive market pricing is. I want to save as much as I can. So that's what this video is going to be about, man. Showing you guys the sneaker unboxing for all of these hype sneakers, and at the same time showing you guys how you guys can save money on them. So let's get into it. First sneaker that we have in here is a long time sneaker that I've been looking for. So we have a pair right here of the Jordan 1 yellow Ochres, O-C-H-R-E, yellow. The Jordan 1 yellows. They're the yellow ones, man. I don't know. They're just yellow shoes. Anyway, you guys can check it out over here. The condition on the upper is very, very good. Minimally worn, I would say. Not too much toe box creasing over here. Insides look completely fine in my opinion. And the only problem here is the bottoms. Dirty. But if you're wearing the shoe and it's for your personal collection, then it shouldn't matter, right? Because you're going to be wearing it, so nobody's looking at these. It's worn. It doesn't matter. So that is how you can save money on sneakers, guys. I've talked about it before. Buying used is the way to go. I don't really have much more to say on that. You got to take the advice. If you guys don't take the advice, you guys can't get the savings. Like, you can try to find new sneakers on sale or whatever, but how often are sneakers going to go on sale, like on resale market? These things usually go dead stock for $380 in the same size. 380 bucks is quite a bit of money. I got this one for 265. So 260 versus 380, that's $120 savings, almost 33% savings. I'll definitely take that for something that somebody's worn maybe a couple times at most. It's in great condition. You guys saw it. Like, I don't see any problems with this. I don't see any problems with buying worn, and that's why you can save money. This next box is not a Jordan 1 box. This is probably the only non-Jordan 1 box actually today. This is the Air Max 197s, like /97 Sean Weatherspoons, and they are sick. I think it's an all corduroy upper. I think that's the correct term, corduroy. But yeah, you guys can check it out over here. You guys have seen the Weatherspoons quite a bit. This was probably sneaker of the year a couple years back. Bottom slightly dirty, but the upper, considering like how bad these things get, like very easily after they're being worn, this is a pretty clean upper, man. So I appreciate this one, and for the price I appreciate it a lot more. Definitely wanted this in my collection for a while because it is a unique sneaker. So I've been looking at it on the market for a while, and I had it on my want list for a while. And this one, usually in dead stock condition, they're going for like $1,000. It kind of blew up, like the prices blew up because they found out, okay, he's not making any more of these sneakers, so this is it. If you guys want it, you guys got to get it now, and that's why you have to pay high markups for it. $1,000, I'm not feeling it at $1,000. That's way too expensive. So I actually bought this shoe in this condition, which is very, very good condition. Trust me, I check every day. I got this one for $640. $1,000, $640, like 360 bucks of savings, man. So that's a lot of money because I could have bought the Jordan 1 yellow yellow ochre, whatever, yellow thing for the amount of savings that I got on this shoe. So that is why it's important to save where you can, because all of that money that I would have spent on a $1,000 pair if I bought a new, I could have got a second shoe. That's why I do it. And I've seen comments while we're in between sneakers here. I did see comments, and it's a good comment, it's a fair comment, about people saying that technically you're not saving money. And this is like a huge business concept so for some younger kids, this might be harder to understand. So this is a classic example. If a shoe costs $1,000 and it's on sale for $750 and you buy it at $750, technically you didn't save $250, you spent $750. And that's an abstract concept because you did save technically $250, but at the same time, you actually spent money. That is all well and good, and I can see why people say, okay, well, you're not actually saving any money because of that concept. However, that only works because what you're doing in that situation and in that scenario is that the $750 that you spent, you're never gonna get back, because whatever you're gonna sell it for is gonna depreciate in value. That is not the same thing for sneakers, guys. So for all of you business experts out there, if your intent is to sell these things down the road, then yes, the savings are real, because you're probably gonna sell it for more actually than whatever you bought it for if you got it for a good price. So you save money and you can actually make money. So that's why I love doing this sneaker stuff, man, because it's one of the only markets where things go up in value over time. They don't go down. It's sneakers, man. It's unique, it's special. So that's why I like that. I had to get that out of the way because I had the hardest time like talking with those people about savings. You're not saving, you're spending. No, these are investments. It's different. Anyway, these are going into my collection. I will be wearing all of them. And eventually down the line, I like to believe that every sneaker will be sold because it needs to find a new home eventually. So that's what that is. Back to the unboxing. Another pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. This was a bad investment. So this one we can actually kind of critique. It's going to be a junk one. Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Not much to say here, guys. You guys have seen this a lot. It is what it is. It's an authentic pair of J1 Travis Scott's. Leather is really nice on this one, actually. This one is a size 10.5. Little bit of creasing up here because it has been worn, but maybe tried on worn, because look at that. There's like no dirt on the bottom over here. Basically brand new. But yeah, can't be listed as brand new. So this one was actually a mistake purchase on my fault, I guess, because I made a video basically about how the prices exploded for the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. They were going up to like 1,300 bucks for like size 10.5s for kind of a long time. It was like maybe a week or 2 weeks. This one came in, I bought it used for $940, and I thought that was a good price because at $1,350 that would have been savings of $400, but now it kind of dipped down and I think they're at about $1,100 or so. So I mean, you still save money, 160 bucks, but not the level of savings that I was expecting. And that just shows that sneakers are such a volatile market, man. Like, they're always moving, they're always changing. There's a couple things you can predict, but for the most part, you're never gonna know what's going on. So that was probably not a good purchase, but over time, I think they will still continue to rise in value. So I'm gonna keep this one on ice, save it, and then eventually we'll sell it. And I believe that I can make more money than 960 is what I bought it for. So that's my plan there. And I saved the best for last because this was the biggest savings and probably the biggest come up of the video. So let's check it out. Looks like we got a replacement box from Flight Club. I think that GoDap is actually partnered with Flight Club now, so I think that's why all the shoes without boxes come with these things now, if they're hype shoes. But the shoe that we do have here deservedly needs a box, because you don't want to be putting a Jordan 1 Union just in like a regular shipping box, man. That's not cool. And this one is one I got for an amazing price. So before we talk about price, let's check it out under here. Jordan 1 Union black toe in immaculate condition, boys and girls. Immaculate condition. Like, look at this. Basically no problems on the upper at all. I don't see anything on here. Insides look perfectly fine. Not a lot of sock lint, not a lot of wear. This is a clean pair of sneakers, and it also comes with like the extra laces. Yeah, we got everything we need on this shoe. I don't know how this happens because I've been watching the market for the Jordan 1 Union black toe for a while, and for some weird reason I just put out like a feeler bid of about 770 bucks, and these things are going on the market right now for like $1,100 or so, brand new, and it got taken. Somebody took that bid. 770, clean pair of Jordan 1 Unions without the box, a little bit worn, for $770 versus $1,100. That is great savings, man. That's savings of 330 bucks. That's huge savings. So I enjoyed this a lot, and you will never see a shoe this hyped for that kind of price. If you ever see the Jordan 1 Unions at that price, you gotta jump on it. You gotta take it, man, because they don't go down that low. 700 range, no way, that doesn't happen. So huge come up right there. That one is definitely going in the collection. I'm gonna be keeping that one on ice. You guys can check out this one back here. It's been floating this whole time on that Tobu sneaker thing. Yeah, so you guys can check that out. That's kind of why I had that in the back, because I knew this was going to be the most hype sneaker of the unboxing. So it all works together, guys. This is premeditated. I'm not just opening up boxes here. There's a little bit of planning involved, a little bit. If you guys haven't seen this video yet, check it out over here. I've been getting comments all the time asking what is that in the back, and it's the Tobu Sneaker levitating sneaker. There is a discount code for it if you guys want to get 10% off your order, so use code UNTIED at checkout. I'll put that link in the description as well. Probably gonna be like the new, like, you know how these like drop fronts are needed in a sneaker room? It's gonna be the new must-have item for sneaker rooms. So that's what that is, in case you guys are wondering. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys learned something about saving and how you guys can save. But yeah, that's it for this video. So if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you enjoy seeing these savings videos, and don't forget to comment down below as well your own savings that you guys have been finding on GOAT. Always love seeing what people are coming up on. Let me know what you guys saved in the comments below, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots.